Lillian here from a very snowy, wintry feeling Leeds. Yeah, I'm jumping on because I've had to change the whole of my working schedule, like most parents have, due to due to obvious reasons. So yeah, a big shout out to all the parents who've had to readjust their working lifestyle. So now I'm doing my lives on a Saturday instead of my regular Tuesdays, which were before the end of last year. So if you are a coach, consultant, a health and wellness professional in the health and fitness industry, I'm here to help you. I'm actually now converting one of my paid courses to a free course because I want to give back. Now, it is a process. We are wanting to create high quality leads and clients into your business. We are all now moving online as well. I mean, I've been a big fan of going online anyway, since way before the pandemic hit. I actually had a course on how to transform your offline service to online. But yeah, I'm now going to give back, and in my free high quality clients generation community, I walk you through the process. So in today's particular training, we're going to be going through your offer. So basically you need a great, awesome front end offer, and I essentially take you through the break even back end model. Hey, look at this. Oh, brilliant. A family of snowmen. It's so cool. Yes, so if you make money off the front end, then awesome. However, yeah, I help you design your front end offer, and then I walk you through your KPIs, your targets, in my free online course, which you can get. Just hit the link below. It goes into my quality client generation community group. I use John as an example, and I walk you through how to make £5,000 into your business, and also how you can generate monthly sustainable income after your first or second month of creating this online marketing machine. So yeah, that's what I'll also be discussing today at 5:30, and then also I'm going to walk you through the overview of the online marketing business system. So I'm going to take you through the Facebook ads, and then you go onward to creating a landing page in a software called ClickFunnels. Look how pretty that is. And then also I will walk you through the application form, and then last but not least, it's onward onto a thank you page. So essentially that's what I can help you build. It is obviously a do-it-yourself type course, and I am there in the group to help you along your way. However, if you're wanting to speed things up and you haven't got the time, or you're just getting quite frustrated and you don't want to learn all the nuts and bolts of how to generate high quality leads and clients that turn into sales by using online systems, then that's when I can also help as well. I can offer you a done for you type service. But if that does sound of interest, so you are a personal trainer and you want to move your services online, or you have a course already and it sits already between the price point of £197 to £500, this course is also for you as well. Hi Eva, how are you? You enjoying the snow behind me? Look at the sky as well. It's like a nice orangey glow behind me. And I've lost my train of thought now. Yeah, so yeah, just follow me. 5:30 I'm going to go live. It's going to come in 4 separate trainings that I'm going to go through in the next month or so. And yeah, that just details the first training. So it won't take you too long. If you're going to do this all by yourself, with obviously the help of my course and my support in the free Facebook community, a few weeks of hard graft, you can actually get your head around and build out exactly what you need to build out to generate those high quality leads and clients. But like with anything, it is a process, and I'm here to help. I'm definitely going to be there supporting you. So if that sounds of interest, oh hi Jabari, how are you? Good to see you. If that sounds of interest, then hit the link and I will see you in the free group.